in my apartment, I was greeted by dead flowers because I forgot to throw these out before I left. Came back to like a bunch of PR, which I want to just unbox right away. I don't like seeing a bunch of boxes like just laying around, so I'm just gonna do some unboxings really quickly. It Cosmetics Under Eye Bags Brightening Serum. Got some stuff from Aritzia. I actually ordered this. This is not PR. I wish. But I just got just some little things for the summer. This is just a regular scoop neck bodysuit. I plan to wear this with some shorts, which should have arrived as well, I hope. Actually, this is from L'Oreal. I was supposed to work with them. Well, not supposed to. I did work with them this last month on their hyaluronic acid products, but they had no idea that I wasn't at the apartment, so they sent me new ones at the house. But I'm happy to have a brand new set because I could do like a giveaway for these, or I can just use them, doesn't matter. But yeah, but I have a couple packages, but not too many. I'm actually, a lot of the brands know that I am relocating very soon, so they've kind of like updated the address, but I do need to update my address with a lot of PR agencies so they can know like, hey, I'm not gonna be here, so yeah. Oh, this is so nice. This is from YSL Beauty. It's this cute little, oh, this is so pretty. What is this? Oh my goodness, this is so nice. These like concealers, I'm so curious. Oh, I can't wait to like research this product. It looks so nice. And I'm definitely going to use this thing as a clutch. Like if I could take off the beauty and just use this as a thing, I would. And I would not be ashamed about it. It's so nice.
Hey, wait a minute.
Get ready with me for an event. It's actually currently like 11 o'clock at night. I'm prepping from tonight for the event because I have a lot of things to do before I can like officially get ready. So this is the night before. So we're gonna cleanse the skin because I really need to cleanse. I'll be going in with my La Roche-Posay Hydrating Cleanser. I also used to use this one. It's their foaming cleanser, but because my skin is sensitive and I'm acne prone, like my esthetician slash dermatologist told me that foaming cleansers are not my friend, so I no longer use them. I'm using the hydrating cleanser now. I have one at the house and also one here, so I'm gonna go in with a little razor thing, and I'm gonna be shaving my face. I haven't shaved my face in weeks and it looks so bad. Some people shave their face with oil and things like that, but I like to do it dry. I don't know, I just like to do it dry. So as you guys can see, my sideburns are growing and I have so many like hyperpigmentation on my face. Please ignore. Do you see all that hair, you guys? I just washed my face with some cold water just to kind of calm it down. I don't have my ice roller, but I usually like to ice roll right after. All right, right after I'm done shaving my face, I like to just go in with like some really moisture-based products. I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal hyaluronic acid. I'm gonna link these for you. I recently worked on a campaign with them. I really enjoy the products, like for real, like not just because I was being paid. I actually really do enjoy their stuff. This is really, really good because I do have combination skin, so this really helps with the dryness. I like to go in with the caffeine hyaluronic eye serum first, just to kind of get the eye area. Boom, boom, boom. These products are really gentle as well, so they're not gonna burn, because when you shave your face, it's a form of exfoliating, so you don't want to go in with any like harsh products like a retinol or anything, because it's gonna burn. But this doesn't burn because it's literally like putting water on your face. So this is the eye serum. This is the face serum. And then to set everything in, I'm gonna go in with the Fine Plumping Water Cream. And it's just gonna lock all that moisture in. But my skin already feels so good. And this is just gonna make it feel even better. These products are available at Walgreens, like your local drugstore. Oh my, guys, look at my skin. And this is going to soak in a little bit, but it's gonna look really similar. Oh my god, amazing. Like, I'm obsessed with these products. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the skin prep. I'm gonna prep my hair simply by putting in a braid, because this is wavy hair. So I'm just gonna leave it in this braid. It has a hair tie at the end just so it stays secure. And I'm gonna tie it on just to kind of flatten it. But of course, when I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna hot comb and maybe even freshen up the lace melting thing. But it still looks really, really good, so I'm not really too worried. But yeah, now my body, I'm gonna be using the Sol de Janeiro body scrub and the Bum Bum cream. This together, I'm gonna sleep in this. And then in the morning, obviously, I'm gonna shower again, but no exfoliating. Heading to a quick event, so I'm gonna do a really quick OOTD because I'm wearing color, and whenever I wear color, we need to document it. So this dress is from Zimmermann. It's their Wonderland Waterfall High-Low dress. I love like the ombre effect and also the shape it's giving me. And it's just like really, really great. We're going to a polo match, so I don't have a hat or anything, so I figured I'd just let the dress do all the talking. For shoes, I'm gonna be wearing these wedges from Stuart Weitzman. They're kind of like gold and silvery toned. Yeah, I just ordered these because they recommend that we wear wedges just because of the grass and all of that stuff. They don't want us like falling over. For a bag, I don't have a lot of bag options. Do this because, let's go.
In different rhythms, still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms.
Hey guys, so I am back in Jersey and I figured I'd get started unpacking up the apartment. I am gonna be working with Roadway, and although they do pack your stuff for you, I kind of wanted to pack my own things because I need to go through some stuff. I want to do a major declutter, get rid of a few things that I no longer use. Yeah, so I'm gonna start my packing process. I'm a little bit excited. I am excited. I love packing things up. For some reason, it's the unpacking that I would love to hire someone for, but the packing, I got it. Start with like what's in this TV unit because I really want to sell this and or get rid of it. So I'm gonna start unpacking this soon because once I'm done, like, you know, I can put boxes along this wall in the meantime, which is totally fine.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms.
Guys, remember my little peek?
Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I ain't too blind to see when you're
Day 2 of packing, and I did a major declutter. I wanted to start off with decluttering before I began packing because I felt like when I was packing trash basically. Like there's no point in bringing those things. So I decided to regroup, do a declutter, and I have 6 trash bags here that I'm going to be getting rid of. And I think I need to make some more bags because I do have ways more things to declutter, but so far so good. I feel like I did a really great job. And yeah, I placed a few things in some boxes so far. So bedding, my vases are packed up, my books, and this is just loungewear and like, you know, some Lululemon stuff and some pajamas that I'm gonna be keeping. But yeah, we got rid of a lot of things, you guys.
You measure the back of it. This might be it, the shoe might fit, space and time, only on.
Alright guys, let's season this chicken up. So we're gonna be kind of like making brown stew chicken, but the only difference is I'm not gonna cut the chicken in small parts. I'm gonna leave it whole like this. I've been really enjoying like doing that lately. So I'm gonna start by adding a little salt. This is sea salt. I'm gonna add a little black pepper. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Herb Fest seasoning here. I like these seasonings from Whole Foods because they're very low in sodium, which is always nice because everything is just so sodium heavy these days. Onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. I'm gonna do a little bit of browning. peas that I use. It's the Iberia red kidney beans, and I have that boiling right now. So the coconut milk is in here, and I'm just gonna stir it out like that. See that? And it's gonna have that really pretty color going on, which I love when my rice and peas has this like color. And usually they put a Scotch bonnet pepper in here, but I don't want to put a whole pepper in here because it's a very small pot of rice. So I'm gonna put a little Scotch bonnet powder. Too loud! I'm just gonna let that do its thing for maybe like 5 minutes before adding in my washed white rice. Just so it can trap all that moisture and steam. I'm gonna put a little olive oil. I'm gonna start off by adding in the drumsticks. Now that everything's like sauteed, we're gonna add in some water. And I'm using just some water that I added to the same pot that I used to season my chicken in. So no flavors being missed here. We'll check it later.